We should be able to come out, make a strong statement, and the government react, based on what we are saying. It shouldn't just be social media. For me, social media rants has its own advantage and disadvantage. Like all those protests that is happening in Delta North, where some people are coming out to protest in Delta North, and then there is no counter protest. It is bad. Understand? It is not good. There should be counter protests. So those are our chap. You see the way the Ijaw used to do when they want to go for protest. All the Ijaw in all the states will join one bus. They will go to that state where they want to go and do protest. That should be our aim. And if na Rivers State we wan go do protest or we wan go do meeting, all the chapters we have, will coordinate the members we need, make our movement to that state. If we want to go to Delta State, all the chapters we have, we make our movement to those states. That is how we should be functioning. That is how to show you are active. As they drop petition for Abuja, we too will go Abuja go drop petition. But nobody said it's going to be this. It's going to be easy this first time.
Some time ago, we Anioma people, we did a protest in Asaba. And in that protest, we rallied down to the office of the governor of Delta State. We got there and we met the chief of staff to the governor of Delta State. We told him that we Anioma people want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. In that protest, Okwane people were there in numbers. Ika people were there in numbers. Ibanke people and other indigenous Ika people in Edo State were there in numbers. Oshimiri and Anyocha people were there in numbers. All of us are saying that we want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. So this boy is telling those Anioma people that said they are not Igbo to do a counter protest against the protest that we did. This Ibibio boy that you are seeing here, in the past, he was saying sweet things about Ndibo. And because of that, he gained so many Igbo followers. After he had an issue with some Igbo people, he started attacking Ndibo, started speaking against Igbo agenda. This is why I'm telling my Igbo brothers that if they see anybody from another tribe on social media saying sweet things about Ndibo, that person is only doing that for engagement. If that person get issue with Ndibo, he go start to show him true color. And that is why it is expected of Ndibo to stay clear from the social media handles of people from other tribes that are saying sweet things about Ndibo. They are only doing it for content. Why is this boy saying that those Anioma people that said they don't want to join this artist to do counter protest? He is telling them to do counter protest so that Anioma will not be a state. He don't want Igbo nation to have Anioma as the 6th southeast state. Ibibio only have one state in Nigeria. Ibibio is a minority tribe in Nigeria. How you think say Ibibio person go dey in support for Anioma state to be created and zoned to the southeast for Ndibo to have 6 states? It's not possible. Those Anioma people where say they never make Anioma state join artists, where they support this boy, where they follow this boy on social media, where they appreciate this boy. No say no be their agenda, be the agenda of this Ibibio boy. The Ibibio boy's agenda is to make sure that Ndibo don't have 6 states. His agenda is to make sure that Ndibo don't unite. His agenda is to make sure that Anioma people don't have a state. His agenda is to make sure that those Anioma people that are proud of their Igbo identity, he wants them to be separated from their Southeast brothers. So, if you see people from other tribes saying that Anioma people are not Igbos, Ndibo, leave them alone, they said they don't want to join the Southeast. All these reasons that I gave is the reason why people from those tribes don't want Anioma State to be created as well to the Southeast. If you are from Anioma and you are saying that you don't want to join the Southeast, people from other minority tribes in Nigeria are encouraging you not to embrace your Igbo identity. They are telling you that don't support the Southeast zoning of Anioma State. Ndị Igbo will change your language. They will change your culture and tradition. They will influence you. They will do this. They will do that. They will start ruling you people in Anioma land. Do you think that those people that are telling you all those things love you? No, they don't love you. They know that you are Igbo. Your weakness is that you are denying your Igbo identity. And with that, they are using that your weakness to make you not to get Anioma State, because they know that if Anioma State is not created as zone to the southeast, that we Anioma people can never get Anioma State again. If you look at the south now, so many people in the south are saying that they want to have their own states. Ijaw people are there agitating for Toribe State. And if any state will be given to the south, it's that Toribe State. Ijaw people have taken the slot for state creation in the south. So if you are Anioma person because you don't want to join southeast, then you not want to make Anioma State become a reality. You think say you they do we Anioma people that say we want to join southeast. You are not doing us. You are doing yourself. And you are making other people in this country that don't want Anioma State to be created as zone to the southeast to be happy. You are making the agenda to come a reality. You think say you and them get the same agenda. As you thought you don't want to join southeast, and all these people from Ibibio or other tribes, they thought say Anioma people make una not agree, make una not join southeast. You thought all of you have the same agenda. You don't have the same agenda. Their own agenda is to make sure that Anioma people don't have their own states. Their agenda is to make sure that we Anioma people don't join our southeast brothers. They want Igbo nation to shrink. Ask yourself, why person where they Ibibio go dey vex say Anioma people won't join their brothers for southeast? Are there any Ibibio speaking people in Anioma land? No. Why this set of Ibibio people carry on for their head? It's because they have one state. They are not happy that they are only found in one state. He from Ibibio, make he organize the counter protest for Anioma land and make he come for that protest now. We are waiting for him. I don't know why he's afraid to come and lead the protest. Have you ever seen any socio-cultural organization in Anioma land coming out doing a press statement saying that they don't want Anioma State to join the southeast? They're not going to try them because they know say if they come out, then it shows that they don't want Anioma State to be created. Onwika socio-cultural organization from Ika land, we have never seen that organization come out doing a press conference saying that they don't want Anioma State to be created as zone to the southeast. We have not seen Ndokwaneku organization from Ukwane land doing a press conference saying that they don't want Anioma State to be created as zone to the southeast. Now only Mumu person go do that kind of thing. Anioma State agitation that is 87 years old now, since 1938. 9 person from Anioma land go come they do press conference say no one make Anioma State join southeast. E sure say the person na Mumu, e no get sense. So because of say the ones that Anioma State go southeast, now why some Anioma people they thought say they don't want Anioma State to join southeast instead of Anioma State to join southeast, make them not get the state at all. Why all this set of Ibibio people, other minority tribes not go take on a weakness? They want to achieve their agenda. What is the agenda? For Anioma people not to have a state, for Anioma people to remain in Delta states, for Igbo nation not to be united, for Anioma people not to expand the land of Igbo, not to expand the southeast. In the eyes of those people from minority tribes that don't want Anioma State to join the southeast, we Anioma people are Igbo people in their eyes. They know that we are Igbo. When the ex-CBN governor, Godwin Emefiele, from Abo in Ikaland, was accused for stealing money by the federal government of Nigeria, people from minority tribes in Nigeria started calling him Igbo. Igbo men, now so that they do, now so that they steal federal funds, now so that they steal money. Emefiele, that Igbo man from Abo, now so that they do. They started calling Emefiele an Igbo man. When Ifeanyi Okowa from our kingdom in Ikaland was contesting to be the vice president of Nigeria with Atiku, Northerners, Yoruba people, and other minority tribes in Nigeria were saying, this one where Igbo man they go for vice presidency, Okowa, we not trust them, this, that. They were all calling Okowa an Igbo man. So you from Ika land that is saying, I'm from Ika, I'm not Igbo, I don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. You are just deceiving yourself. This Anioma State creation is an opportunity that comes once in a lifetime. Anioma State can never be created through the South. It's never possible. Una no dey see am from this angle. Even as we dey give una proof and evidence, they tell una say Anioma State can never be created through the South. Say they wan give Southeast one state to balance the Southeast 6 states. If they give the South Anioma State, then 2 states will be created for the Southeast, and the federal government of Nigeria said that only 1 state will be created. Una won't lose this opportunity. Wetin dey una brain? Any Anioma person wey don say instead of Anioma State to join the Southeast, make we not get Anioma State at all. Such a person don't have IQ. This one not be low IQ. That person not get IQ at all. Just imagine someone from Ibibio is saying that they should do a counter protest in Anioma land. Our kings for Eka, Okwane, Oshimiri, and Anyocha land talk say they won't make Anioma State join Southeast. And a moron from Ibibio, a cripple from Ibibio is saying that those Anioma people that don't want to join the Southeast should do a counter protest. We are waiting for him to come and do the protest. Those set of Okwane people, Oshimiri, Anyocha, and the Eka people that said they don't want to join the Southeast, they should come and do a counter protest in Asaba. Abina today for comment section they back like pitbull they sabi. We don't want to join the Southeast. You people should show action. Action speaks louder than voice. No be today comment section they talk nonsense. As we agitate say we want to make Anioma State join Southeast, we do am for rally, we do am for protests. We show the world say, see our stand. We want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the Southeast unconditionally. So those of you that say you don't want to join the Southeast, you people should come and do a counter protest. Not be today comment section they talk rubbish. Because you people are an enemy to the creation of Anioma State. AB where they chop himself. 9 such people be. Good thing they come for them. They say no. Say because I say they want so that Anioma State go Southeast. Say they don't want Anioma State at all. Why e be say una sons and daughters wey dey politics no agitate say make Anioma State become a reality, make dem create the Anioma State, keep am for South? When Okowa was there, why didn't he agitate for Anioma State to be created for the South? When Patrick Osakwe, a politician from Okwane land that became the senator representing Anioma land, was in office, why didn't he agitate for we Anioma people to get Anioma State and join the South? Now that Senator Ned Nwoko is agitating for Anioma State to be created as zone to the Southeast, those of una where you say una be failure when una get the opportunity to agitate for make it this South, una not talk, una carry the evil spirit wey dey una body come dey talk say, hey, Anioma State should not join the Southeast, we did not support it. Enemies everywhere, enemies from within. Why this animal from Ibibio no go dey talk say make una do counter protest? E don see una finish. Una go think say una wise, una no say na as e finish. The easiest people to use to play politics are Okwane people. And still they talk this same. I be Okwane person. And I have every right to tell my Okwane people the truth. See how some of our Okwane people they say, hey, they don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. So people will not get lights for 20 years. People will not get good road. People will be say, now them be the power of Anioma land. But because they don't know themselves, now why their region they very poor. Politicians for Anioma now Okwane people that take play politics because Okwane is the most populated Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. Okwane have a bigger landmass in Anioma land. But for this Anioma land where we dey now, Okwane is seen as a minority because Okwane don't have a voice. Now you get crude oil pass for Delta State, but now you poor pass. As we dey talk about this Anioma State, now Okwane people suppose carry am for head. Because they are supposed to know the importance of Anioma State to we Okwane people. All those things we will not get for Okwane land, now Anioma State go give us all those things. Now flyover o, now light o, now job o, na federal and state hospital o, na federal and state university o, na federal and state polytechnic o, na federal and state college of education o. Name it, keep naming it. Na Anioma state go give way Okwane people that time. Why e be say some Okwane people dey talk say they don't want make Anioma state join artists? If Anioma state not join artists, how we go take get all these things? As e be say Anioma state not go fit join south. How we go take get this state if we not join southeast? The problem of Okwane land is Okwane people. Make we Okwane people stop to dey blame federal government. We Okwane people are our problem. This light will not do Okwane land. Now Okwane people now do everything possible to make sure say there is no light in Okwane land for 20 years. All these federal and state universities will not get for Okwane land. Okwane people are the ones playing a major role to make sure that all these things don't come. We dey talk say we want make Anioma state join artist. Some Okwane people they talk say they don't want make Anioma state join artist. Okwane people are supposed to be telling those their brothers that don't want Anioma state to join the southeast to shut up their mouths. Explain all these things better to our Okwane brothers for them to understand what is happening. You go see somebody from Ika land will not get screwed yet. Somebody from that way go to say, southeast, they want Anioma state to join them so that they will start taking our resources. What is our resources? Somebody from Oshima and Danacha, they say, Southeast want us to join them because of our resources. All those Oshima and Danacha, they get crude for their land. No. Do they know how crude looks like? No. But we Okwane people, we get them. Now, we suppose carry Anioma state for head. If we see anybody from Eka, Oshima and Danacha, where it doesn't know make Anioma state join Southeast, we go tell and say, shut up your mouth. What are you contributing to the federal government of Nigeria? What are you contributing to Delta states? What are you contributing to Anioma land? We Okwane people, we want Anioma state. When we are talking, shut up your mouth. Now what Okwane people supposed to do? And all this mindset where some of our Okwane people get. Now why Okwane not there anywhere for this Anioma land? We are just floating. See Oshima and Anioma people, they get lights. He can't get lights. Okwane not they get lights for 20 years. And as we talk of Anioma state, you go see some people from those Oshima and Anioma and Eka where they get lights for their region. They go to say, Southeast people want us to join them because of our resources. And the people who get the resources for Anioma land, they suffer. It's so shameful. Say, you be an Anioma person, you not know the importance of Anioma states. Enter internet, type importance of a state, benefits of a state. That is how you learn. Make you see the importance of a state for internet. And you go see, say, your eye go open. But because I say the one zone and go southeast. You dey talk say, you know what make Anioma state join southeast. For what reason? What are your reasons? If you talk now, they go start to talk insecurity. All the Christians where they slaughter for northern Nigeria, now southeast they happen, no. All this kidnapping, whether they kidnap travelers, now southeast they happen, no. You there for Nigeria where you say Nigeria is bleeding. Every day people are dying in Nigeria. For this south, people are dying in this south. Herdsmen are killing people everywhere. But now southeast be your problem. Agitation say you get sense. If Anioma state join southeast, things go change. We Anioma people and our Igbo brothers, we go start to do things with one mind. How are we going to fight insecurity? Now round table that they discuss that kind of thing. And you go see say security go there. We go start to the demand for state police. We go start to the demand for policies that will make the southeast a better place for we Igbo. That is how to play politics. But you thought say instead of Anioma state to join the southeast, say make we rather not get that Anioma state. You think say northerners go talk say you get sense. They go call you a fool. They will see you as a fool. In fact, they are already seeing those Anioma people that said they don't want to join the southeast as fools. If to say Anioma people na Fulani people and the southeast na Fulani, you think say we go there here they talk all these things where we they talk. If to say na Fulani people they talk say make they give Fulani people one more state. Therefore don't create this state sense. It don't take way for create am. But when it comes to Bia speaking people, problem. This is the problem of we Bia speaking people. We are our problem. That problem they Okwane land na worst. Okwane is the poorest Igbo speaking region in Delta State. Yet, make them support Anioma State. So when they talk say they not like Senator Nani Senator Nani not do anything for Okwane people. For that, they don't want support Anioma State. Wetin Senator Nwoko go do for Okwa and people pass this Anioma state where they agitate for so? Do you know what it means to create a state? Senator Nwoko wan comot we Anioma people from Delta State, make Urobo Isoko Ijo Shekiri go their own. Make we know say na only we Igbo speaking people go become one state to make things easier for we Anioma people. For good thing to enter Okwane land. That is how our Okwane people are supposed to be reasoning. Okwane people support the creation of Anioma state at the Southeast zoning. No be everything person go dey tell una. If we lose this opportunity, we will never get Anioma state again. That animal from Ibibio, where they talk say he won't come do protest, make he come lead the protest. That day for the protest, we go show face. Kaiji de woli tale pia baho. My own fast na wanna pia mare tale. All these Benin people that say Anioma people will never join the Southeast. Anioma people do counter protest. Why the Benin people not come Anioma and come do the protest? You see how outsiders will be pushing you, making you to hate your Southeast brothers. You supposed to ask yourself, why these people where be say we and they not they speak the same language? They turn we Anioma people and our Southeast brothers to be enemies with each other. Why are they telling us not to join our Southeast brothers? Why are these people telling us to give up on Anioma state instead of joining the Southeast? Now all these things our Anioma people supposed to the reason. During the Biafra war, all these people they tell Anioma people they don't join Southeast. All of them keep quiet. They start to kill Anioma people. Where was Benin Kingdom where Anioma people are being killed during the Biafra war? Where Ibibio people? They are nowhere to be found. We Anioma people, we suffered that fate with our brothers in the Southeast. Anybody who hates Southeast not like Anioma people. Anioma people, open your ear. Anybody who hates Southeast not like Anioma people. Anybody who hate Anioma people not like Southeast. Anioma state will go better for we Anioma people. Some Anioma people that say they not support Anioma states make it join Southeast. You don't want to join people all of them, they speak the same language. It's so shameful. Say, waiting some elders for Anioma where they thought they don't want to make Anioma state join Southeast. Waiting they're supposed to tell us, say, you, our children, make we support the creation of Anioma state and the Southeast zoning. Make we coexist with our brothers. Now we will be small children, come they tell them, say, make they support the creation of Anioma state and the Southeast zoning. They say, waiting elders, sit down see. Say, small picking, if he stand, you not go see him. Those our elders, all the things where they sit down see. Which one don't bring good thing for Anioma land? All these idiots from other tribes that don't want Anioma state to join the Southeast, like these idiots from Ibibio that is saying they should do counter protests. You people should know that your evil agenda have failed on arrival. None of you can stop the creation and Southeast zoning of Anioma state. You can't stop it. Anioma state creation and the Southeast zoning is unstoppable. Anioma state must be created and zoned to the Southeast, whether anyone likes it or not. Okwane people, wake up. The reason why I'm saying Okwane people is because I know what my Okwane people are passing through. Oshimi and Alencha people are in full support for Anioma state to be created and zoned to the Southeast. Eka people will be say them allow that their emperor to hold them for ransom. May they continue. May they just do that place. May the guy hold them for ransom. Those are our politicians from Anioma land that said they don't want Anioma state to join the Southeast. We know say those politicians they get low IQ. They suppose know say Anioma state is so important to we Anioma people. They suppose know say we can only get Anioma state through the Southeast. Number one, we are Igbo people. So why you go to tell them say na Southeast Anioma state suppose dey? But because some of them they get issue with Senator Nwoko, some of them not like Senator Nwoko, some of them are boy. They be boy to their emperor for Ika land. Now all those things are evident. They thought say they don't make Anioma state to join Southeast. Una why be politicians, una they get issue, una carry una issue, they put we Anioma people for bondage. Una carry una issue, they carry we Anioma people backward. Una they carry una issue, they make sure say we not get Anioma state because una get issue with Senator Nwoko, people with low IQ. It's just una not get sense. Waiting una supposed to tell us say you Anioma people should see reasons why we should get Anioma state and join our brothers in the Southeast. Una say no. Shameless people. Now why our Southeast brothers they agitate for Anioma state? Now why they agitate for other states? our Southeast brothers give us law to join them, but because una get low IQ, because the way una dey reason no good, because now una be the evil fashioned against we Anioma people. Una thought una no wan make Anioma State join Southeast. Shameless people, shameless people. You people don't have shame. Whether you politicians from Anioma like it or not, Anioma State will be created and zoned to the Southeast. When the time for you people to sign that document will come, una go sign the documents. All those documents when I decide say una no make Anioma State join Southeast, una go sign the documents. No worry. Una not go know how, but una go carry on our own hand. Sign am. We support the creation of Anioma State at the Southeast zoning. You will know that Anioma State creation is a divine mandate, and nobody, not even a politician, can stop it. Anioma people support the creation of Anioma State at the Southeast zoning. We Anioma people, we are Igbo people. We can only get Anioma State through the Southeast, not the South-South. Anioma State can never come through the South-South. Okwane people support the creation of Anioma State at the Southeast zoning. Support the creation of Anioma State at the Southeast zoning, because we Okwane people, we will benefit more when Anioma State is being created as zone to the Southeast. Igbo Bofu, Ishiagwale.